Detergent manufacturers don't want you to know this secret. One day you wake up because you have to go out and you want to put on something white. When suddenly you realize that the white garment you wanted to use has a stain of ink that you don't even know how it got there. Most of this has happened to us because white clothes are delicate and everything sticks to it. But don't worry, because today I will show you an incredible trick to remove ink stains from any white garment, using only one ingredient that you surely already have at home. Here I have a shirt that is already stained with ink, but to show that this really works, I'm going to make another stain with a pen. Take advantage and let me know from which country you are watching me to send you a special greeting in my next videos. It is important that you know that if the stain has just been made, it is necessary to wait 3 to 5 minutes for it to dry, because if you try to remove it when the ink is still wet, it will end up staining the clothes more, and this will not work. What you should do now is take 2 sheets of paper towel. You can also use a rag, but I recommend the paper towel because it is an excellent absorber. You are going to place it just under the stain. Place it carefully so that the ink does not spill. Now you are going to use acetone. Open the lid and start placing it little by little on the stain, supporting the bottle on the clothes, since you don't need to moisten it much. Now take the other paper and place it on top, making this movement. You should not rub it because it will water the ink. What we want to achieve is that the paper absorbs the ink little by little. This works not only for clothes, but also for the sofa, for the curtains, for the carpets, the cowboys, and for practically any other fabric. Now I'm going to show you how it will look. You will notice that 80% of the ink has been taken. What you are going to do is repeat the process with the same acetone, the same paper, and the same movement. We do this because the acetone dries very quickly and will not let us remove the stain from an attempt. After doing this a second time, you will notice that the shirt will be completely white and free of stains. Today's greeting is for Rosa Ana from Mexico and for Carlos Santos from the United States. Thanks for watching our videos. Until next time.